Hi everyone. In this next video, you are going to hear a student work on a Bach Sinfonia. He's in the fourth stage of learning, so he's really preparing this piece for a judged event. And if he does well in this first stage, this first level of this competition, then he can go on to the semifinals. So we are fine-tuning this lovely Sinfonia so that he feels very confident and that the piece is musical and beautiful to listen to. Your sound is just a little bit muffled because of this piano, but instead of it sounding like piano all the way through, let's think of it as being at like a mezzo forte. Okay. Already better. 1, 2, 3. Go to there. Oh, let your left hand really blossom. Okay, good. Let's stop right there. Very good. Do you know where your number 8 section starts?
Number 8?
8. Do you know where that is? Your memory section 8.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is interesting in your left hand, right? So, and it's all kind of, is this contrary motion or parallel here?
It's contrary.
Yeah, so enjoy that contrary motion for both hands, okay? So it's a real duet that you're playing there. Really listen for the left hand. So we have a big, yes, a big leap, and we're just like, where are we? Are we going into the depths of the ocean there? What are we doing? Are we jumping into a big pillow? What's a good image there?
Or like a trench, I think.
Okay, go for it. There's too much pedaling right before it, so really think of your clarity. There's something going on there. So you have to decide, where do you want to pedal?
Probably after this one.
Okay, you don't have to pedal into that before, right? Yeah, okay. Yes, you don't need any pedal there. Good, and this one would be a nice place to just have the pedal ever so slightly there. Yes, can you listen to that? That's very good. Can you take it from there one more time?
I feel like it's this one.
I know, so hold on to the pedal there. You gotta pedal it after the note, right? Not on it. Okay, listen for that. Take your time. You're still pedaling on the note. Aha, and that is not too loud. So right before it, da 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 da.
So I should like delay it.
I think so. Yeah, make it really clear. Yeah. Yeah, it's the 3 notes before it that just sounds so quiet. Right? Isn't your phrase good there? Right? There you go. Good. And now playing broken. baroque music, it can't be that
Yeah.
big, right? But you can practice it like
Yeah.
that, right? And then it will be much more comfortable there. Okay, good. And then, and then all this goes to here, right? So really feel your phrase going all the way to there. Good. Three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, keep it going. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Good. And in this, you again, why would you not put so much retardando there?
Doesn't it be too slow?
Yeah, and we got it to be so romantic then. All right, so let's try the end of that. Ba 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 ba. Ooh, da 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 da. Da 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 da. That was ba da 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 da. Ba 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 ba. Why is that? Oh. Let's get the next best one. Does that feel better? Okay, let's see from the top. Ba, 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 ba. Are you okay with that? I want to get you your exact tempo.
Yeah.
Does that feel comfortable?
Yeah,
Let's try it again.
Do you think it might be a little bit slow?
Yeah, that's a little fast, right? So we'll just go in the middle. Good, sing it to yourself. Good, take your time. Okay, let's do that section again because that's feeling like a little out of control. So that is your tempo. Good. And can you feel like you're going somewhere? Right? You're going, you're climbing up a hill. Oh, the vista's so beautiful. So which hand has to really feel like it's moving forward? That lovely melody?
Yeah.
Right? Okay. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Yeah, so just stop there. Good. 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 Let's see if I track what I did. Good. So you do that like 100 times. Right, so you really get that in your soul, in your body, in your mind. Okay, good. Go for it a few more times.